Hello everybody and welcome to today's message. It's only a message from me today, not from all of the staff, but whilst I was in school this week I wanted to record a few messages to first of all show you around some of the places that you know most. So at the moment I'm actually up high in the school. I'm actually on top of the roof of the Year 6 classrooms, and over my shoulder you can see the view out, looking out towards Wembley Stadium. You can see the Key Stage 2 Adventure Playground just in front of that. Over the next few days I'm going to record a few other little messages for you from around the school site, hopefully showing you a few places that you remember really well. This week is actually Mental Health Awareness Week, and the theme for the week is about being kind to each other. It's a week where we think about all the little things that can make a big difference to the people in our homes and our families. Maybe it's the week that you take an opportunity to think about a small job you can do to make somebody else's life a little easier. Maybe it's some washing up, a little chore around the house, helping with some cooking, helping with some tidying away, making sure that we get to bed on time rather than causing a fuss like sometimes we often do. Have a little think about the ways that this week you might be able to do something kind for somebody in your family. And over the course of this week, I'll be sending you some more messages from different places around the school site. Hopefully, we can go on a little adventure together and see some of those different places that you remember the most about our site. So I'm back inside the building now, and I'm in one of the Year 6 classrooms, and that's right, I'm in Class 6D. I have got two poems about kindness that I just wanted to share with you today. Kind hearts are the gardens, kind words are the roots. Kind thoughts are the flowers, kind deeds are the fruits. Take care of your garden and keep out the weeds. Fill it with sunshine, kind words and kind deeds. And a poem called Little Things. The little things are most worthwhile. A quiet word, a look, a smile. A listening ear that's quick to share another's thoughts, another's care. Though sometimes they may seem quite small, these little things mean most of all. As I said, think about how this week you can do something to show other people that you care. Maybe that's somebody in your home that you're with, or maybe it's about sending a message to somebody. Maybe you could write a postcard or a letter or a card to somebody somewhere else in our local community, in your family, or maybe across the world. Sending a message of kindness to someone else. Take care, and I'll be back again later on this week. All the best. Our love from Oliver Goldsmith to all of you. Goodbye.